Welcome to the Center for Learning's TechFest online learning tutorials. In this session, we will cover how to format a writing document in Microsoft Word. Let's begin. You'll first want to click on the Start button to find the Microsoft Office program. Click on All Programs and scroll down accordingly to Microsoft Office. Here you'll choose Microsoft Word and it should begin. I already have a pre-formatted document that I will open here. When you have your document, the first thing you should do is do a file save as. Start at the top under the File tab, click on the Save As button, and you'll want to save this document in the correct directory according to your retrieval process. I will resave this document and date it. Now that we've saved our document properly, the first step is to enter your heading. Each heading is different according to your instructor. So go to the top of your document, hit the Enter key to move down your text, and then arrow up and begin typing. After your name, you'll want to hit a hard return and enter the date, and another hard return to enter the class assignment. Now on my document here, it shows that this pre-formatted text is single-spaced and left justified. In some Word programs, it will appear as a 1.15 spacing, which is an extra space after the paragraph. In order to get it back to a single spacing and to remove that extra space, you'll highlight the text, as I've done, go to the line spacing icon, and remove or add space after paragraph. Here I will just leave it as single spaced. The text is still formatted and we want to move it to right justified. You would click on the Align Text Right icon to move it to the right side of your page. That is the standard heading format for most class assignments. Next, let's do a title. The title of this document is Teaching Philosophy. You highlight the Teaching Philosophy title, and you can hit the B icon for bold, the U icon for underlining, and then go to the paragraph formatting and use the center justification to center the title. This is a very basic and standard title. You also have the option to use the Styles bar located at the top of the screen and choose the title icon. I'm going to choose to use this style. Now I want my title to be centered, so here again it is already highlighted, so I will choose the center justification. And there I have a nicely formatted title. The next thing you'll want to do with your document is to ensure that your margins are according to what your instructor has specified. In order to format the margins on your document, you'll click on the Page Layout tab, highlight the Margins icon, and click on the down arrow. This will give you a list of options for pre-formatted margins. Currently this document has a narrow margin and we'd like to change it to normal 1-inch margins. It's as simple as that. Now our document is formatted to 1-inch margins. Next, we need to format our line spacing. You do this by selecting all of your text and clicking on the line and paragraph spacing icon and choosing 2.0. Now your document is double spaced. Next, we should insert a page number. You do this by clicking on the Insert tab on your toolbar, clicking on Page Number, which gives you a drop-down menu to choose between top of the page numbers or bottom of the page numbers. I'm going to choose bottom of the page numbers. I'd like a little more style to my paper, so I'm going to choose Accent Bar 2. As you can see, the page number is inserted in the footer with a nice gray line that separates the text from the footer, the page number, and the word page. To close out of the header and footer, you click the X box for Close Header and Footer. Last but not least, let's create a cover page. You do this by going back up to the Insert tab, clicking on Cover Page, drop-down menu. Here you'll see a selection of pre-formatted title pages. You can choose the one that best suits your paper. I'm going to choose Pinstripes. As you can see, the title page is automatically inserted in a page at the beginning of your document. You click on the title and enter your title. Next, you can choose to add a subtitle. For this paper, I do not need one, so I'll click on the subtitle and hit the delete key. Here I'll highlight the text and insert the date. It has Northwestern Michigan College and the author's name. I will insert my name and click out. Now you have a perfect title page. Because of the information contained on the title page, I no longer need a title or a header on my actual document. You can remove this by highlighting the text and hitting delete. Hit delete again to remove an extra spacing. Highlight the teaching philosophy title and hit the delete button, and that should format your text back to proper formatting with a title page. And that concludes our lesson on formatting a Word document